I'm going to discuss on question 1. I'm only going to discuss on question 1A and 1B. My friend will discuss on question 1C. So the following table show the ages in years of the teachers of a school. The median given is 839 over 22. A. Calculate the standard deviation, while B. State the skewness of the data distribution using the Pearson coefficient of skewness. You give your answer in 3 significant figures. So from the table given, we can construct another table with age in class boundary, cumulative frequency, midpoint or X, and number of teachers or F frequency. So where we got n equal to 42? N equal to 42 we got from the summation of, and also we got from summation of F, which is summation of number of teachers. It also equal to the n. So n equal to 42. Summation fx we got from the product of the midpoint times with the number of teachers. So we got 1655. And the summation fx squared we got from the square of the midpoint times with the number of the teachers. So we got summation fx squared equal to 67612.5. So based on the question A, we need to find the standard deviation. So by using the formula standard deviation, so by substituting all this value into this equation, we got the standard deviation is 7.647. So question B asks the direction of the data distribution Q. So we need to find what we call as SK. So when we want to find the value of SK, we need to find first is mean, and we need because we already have median and we already have the standard deviation. So by substituting in this formula 0.498. So so how we know that the data distribution skew to the left or the right? So if SK less than 0, the distribution will skew to the left, and if the SK more than 0, the data distribution will skew to the right. In our question, we got the SK 0.498 more than 0, so the data distribution is skewed to the right. That's all from me.
So for the 1C, the question is, if the perpendicular distance from the center C to the line L is k square root of 10, determine the value of k. So we are going to use the formula pk equals to lk plus open bracket k over 100 times with n minus fk minus 1 over fk close bracket times with c. So we're going to use p30 equals to 30 over 100 times with 42. Okay, the answer is 12.6, so we'll round it and we'll get 13th observation. Okay, thus p30 is in the 4th class with the boundaries 30 to 35. So k equals to p30 equals to 30 plus open bracket 30 over 100 times with 42 minus 5 over 8 close bracket times with 5. We will get 34.75. Then we are moving to pk equals to k equals to lk plus open bracket k over 100 times with n minus fk minus 1 over fk close bracket times with c. So we get the lk equals to 30, fk minus 1 equals to 5, fk equals to 8, c equals to 5. So k equals to p30 equals to 30 plus open bracket 30 over 100 times with 42 minus 5 over 8 and then times with 5. So k, we will get the answer 34.75.
Everyone, okay, my name is Nitesha Pangdabat, and today I'm gonna discuss question number 3A. Okay, in the question they mentioned that in a women's single badminton match, the first player who wins 2 out of 3 sets win the match. So the probability of a particular player winning a set is 0.7 if she has won the previous set. So the probability of the player winning a set is 0.4 if she lost the previous set. So draw a tree diagram to represent the given information. Okay, in a match we know that, okay, if there's a match there's a win and lose, right? Okay, so simple. Match, okay, there's win, there's lose, there's win, there's lose. Okay, so what is it? The probability of them winning the next set is 0.7 if they have win the previous match. That means here is 0.7 and here is 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. And from here you know that the probability of winning the next set if she lost the previous one is 0.4, which means probability of her winning the next set and losing the set, which is 0.4 and 0.6. The cycles continues. The cycle continues. Okay. Then if she has lost the previous match, again same thing, win lose 0.4 and 0.6. Same thing here. If she can win the previous match, win lose 0.7 and 0.3. Okay, simple. So this is the diagram. Okay, now find the probability that the player wins a match given that she has lost the first set. That means we need to find the probability of player that wins a match when she has lost the first set. Okay, that means once she lost the first set, okay, where we can see the first set is probability of her, okay, wins the next set. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, how I get this answer is because, see, here she win after lose, here also same, she win after lose, lose, lose. Okay, okay, so what's the probability of her winning the match? Okay, it's very easy. Let's assume that P was the match lost after the first set, was the match lost after first set, which means it just simply 0.4 times 0.7, which we gonna get 0.28. Okay, that's answer. Now the second question, if the probability that the player wins the match is 0.4, find the probability that she wins the first set. Okay, it's very easy also. Here we need to assume that, let's assume that p is the probability that she wins the match, wins the match, which is, let it assume to be x, and also P lost the first match or the first set, we assume it to be 1 minus x. Okay, so now we know that the probability that wins the match is 0.64. So referring to the diagram here just now, probability of win here, win 0.7, right? And probability here win, which is 0.3 and also 0.4 again. Then we need to find another win here. Okay, here there's a win, right? Here there's a win, right? By here they lost, so we have to put 1 minus x. So that means 1 minus x multiplied by 0.4 times with 0.7. Okay, so let's get to the solution. Okay, we know that x probability of win and the first set win probability is 0.7 plus with uh plus with uh win, which is lose and win, which is 0.4 times 0 and 3, plus x probability of they winning 0.4 times 0.7, and they lost the first set, right? So it is 1 minus x 0.4 times 0.7, which they'll get a probability of 0.64. Okay, so now you open all the brackets, you multiply inside. Here this one you multiply inside, you multiply inside, multiply inside, and you will left with 0.7x plus 0.12x plus 0.28 minus 0.28x is equivalent to 0.64. Okay, clear? Okay, now you add up everything with x, you gather it, and you'll get 0.54x, and this you move this side, and you'll get 0.54x is equivalent to 0.36. Okay, then you shift x 0.36 over 0.54 because you have to bring this to this side. So you'll get the value of x is equivalent to 2 over 3. Therefore, the probability of P wins the first set is equivalent to 2 over 3. That's all everyone. Thank you so much.
The question asks to find the probability. 3b1 Roman, probability x favor y equal to probability x intersect y over probability y. Probability x favor y and probability y is given in the question, and just add it in the formula, then calculate. So the answer is 3 over 8. Thus, x and y are not mutually exclusive since probability x intersect y not equal to 0. 2 Roman, probability x prime intersect y prime equal to 1 minus probability x union y. 1 minus probability x plus probability y minus probability x intersect y. And then just add it in the formula. So calculate, then the answer is 17 over 56. 3 Roman, probability x prime intersect y union x intersect y prime equal to probability y minus probability x intersect y plus probability x minus probability x intersect y. And then just add it in the formula, then solve it, then the answer is 9 over 228.